Hello, it's Sammy, and hello, all YouTubers.
Hello, YouTube boys.
Yes. What we are opening today?
Kinder Surprise Superhero but Spider.
Yes, Kinder Surprise Marvel superheroes. Yeah.
But Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Hulk, or Iron Man. Yeah, and some others. And what else? Sonic. Yes.
Sonic. Gacha box.
Gacha box. Yeah. Yes, pull backs.
Halloween edition.
Yes, we have Moshi Monsters, Halloween edition, kind of egg, pumpkin egg, and
Kinder Joy.
Kinder Joy. So 4 eggs actually we are opening, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. Oh, Moshi Monsters.
Yeah.
Moshi Monsters, Halloween edition.
Yeah.
Orange egg. I think 3 guys inside glowing in the dark. Okay, here we go. How many guys?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4? I thought there will be 3. So we have blue guy like that. We have white ratty, I think.
And the bomb.
Cherry bomb actually. Blue.
Cherry bomb.
Cherry bomb, yeah. Green one. And white drum guy, huh? So 4 cool mushlings glowing in the dark. What next?
Key.
Okay, Marvel edition Kinder Surprise. And which one superhero are we going to find today, Sammy? Sammy's checking what is inside.
New one.
New one?
Yeah.
Positive or negative?
This one.
Hard to say. That's the guy we found
Today.
And I'm not sure if he's positive
That's new one.
or negative.
That's new one.
Of course it's a new one, Sammy. Okay, let's check the number. There is 5 and what's the number is now? 3. Cool.
This one, we have this one, we have this one, we have Iron Man. No, we have.
We don't have Iron Man, yeah?
Yeah.
We need to find him.
Yeah.
That's the guy we found, and that's the collection. We don't have this one as well. And Iron Man we don't have. Not sure about the rest. There are still few guys we need, I think, Sammy. What's now, Sammy? Sonic?
Yeah.
Okay. Sammy's going to open Sonic egg. Gacha box or Gacha Tommy actually.
No, gacha box.
There will be a pullback. Nice car, I think. But which one? Oh.
We have bike.
Bike we have?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Back.
Black one?
Yeah.
Nice.
Moshi.
Wow! We have a flyer here and 4 pullbacks to collect, and we just found,
New one.
I think, Sonic. Is it Sonic on the
Yeah.
bike? Isn't it cool?
Yep.
Nice chopper.
Yep.
I like it.
Yep.
Yeppa?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, let's check it out. It's a pullback.
Yeah.
Oh!
No mid-side.
You want to try, yeah?
Yeah.
Of course.
2 times.
Oh! Yeah, it is nice pullback, huh? And what you are opening now, Sammy?
Kinder Joy.
Okay. Okay. What we have there, Sammy? A shooter?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not really shooter, it's a car, I think, Sammy.
Car?
I think so. Kind of car. 3 wheels car. You see, I have a flyer right here. Go Move series. Yep. Here is a guide and we have a car like that. Nice?
Yeah.
It's very nice. Okay, Sammy's setting this up. Sammy's putting together the car by himself. It's not easy, but I believe Sammy can manage it, yeah? Well done. That's our car, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, and now we're putting this here. Okay, Sammy, you ready to catch it?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Gotcha.
I want to catch it. Oh! I got it.
Another gotcha.
Okay, so what we found today? We found some Moshlings. 4 of them actually. They are pretty cool. I like them. We found this superhero.
New
Okay.
one.
It's a new one. Then we found cool kind of car. And this is very cool toy. You see, from Sonic, surprise egg, pullback, motorbike. So that's all for today, Sammy.
Subscribe and comment.
Please subscribe, leave some comments, click like, and see you tomorrow, amigos.
See you tomorrow, amigos. See you tomorrow, amigos.
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana.